Quick Tips and Tricks Val's Kitchen, and today we are here in a cyclone in Goa, and there is no electricity, no internet connection, no Wi-Fi, and heavy rain outside. I will show you a little bit glimpse of the rain and the breeze. So I'm just sitting and trying to do something today for evening. Can you see the rain, heavy rain outside? Okay. So now we come back to our cooking thing. So we are making bread pudding today. So I had 3 breads. So I soaked it in 2 cups of milk, hot milk, and I added around 6 tablespoons of sugar. I know we all Goans knows bread pudding. So, but still I would like to make a video, and we have to mix all this very nicely because I soaked the breads for around 30 minutes in hot milk. And today no electricity, so there is no mixer also, so I am trying to mash this in this only. And we will add now, so 3 bread, so I will be using 3 eggs. Vanilla powder. 2 and 3. So here is our 3 eggs, and I will be adding vanilla essence to this. So normal vanilla essence. So here it goes around like 1 of the teaspoon of vanilla essence because eggs are there. And I am adding almond essence also. And we will be mixing this together. Nicely mix this together. Mix this nicely. Okay, this is done. So the now next procedure for this is either you can, if you don't want to caramelize sugar, then you can directly put it in your baking tin and steam it for 40 minutes on the gas, like double boiling. And if you have want to do it on oven, then it is like 160 degrees. You can also steam in oven too. Okay, so today no electricity, so I will be steaming this. So I will caramelizing my sugar, and I will show you the caramelized sugar, but I can't go in the kitchen because there is no electricity and it's pitch dark today. Today's date is 16th of May 2021, and we are under lockdown. We are now in cyclone, heavy rain, and yeah, but still God is in control. So I will show you after caramelizing how it turns to be, and then I will show you the procedure after getting the pudding gets steamed and come out. Okay, so catch you all later. Here is the step how to caramelize the sugar, to use it for caramel pudding or to use it for bread caramelized pudding. So you need, so how much you need, that much you have to add sugar. So I am adding like around, for my pudding I am adding around 1, 2, 3 teaspoon of sugar, and it is on slow fire, and don't touch or mix, let it get, don't mix this, let it get melted on its own. This is the way I do, but many people they will add water to it and do, that is also another way. I'm not mixing anything, I'm just tapping the sugar slowly. The sugar is getting melted, if you can see here. See, it's already getting melted. Yeah. So if your pudding is quite a big and you have to, quantity is more, then you put more sugar and caramelize it. And my pudding I used Goan breads. Okay, Goan breads. 3 bread rolls I had used for that. Even like when you make sandwiches and you get the side parts of the sliced bread, that also can be used to make bread pudding. Also, one day before, if you have a bread at home, that also can be used. And here it is. If you can see, the color is changed and the sugar is already melted, and it's nice color. It's already caramelized. So very simple to do. Here it's done. Okay, so then you have to just take this, pour in the container where you are going to steam or bake your pudding, and then add your bread to that. Whatever batter is there, you add to that. So here it is. I have caramelized sugar and I put it in this container, and then I poured my batter of my bread pudding, and here are the butter which is on top. Okay, so I put in to this. Here. So this will go now for steaming, and I am using this big chatty, and so I have taken water, it's getting boiled, and this will go, both the container will go, baking thing will go inside, and I will cook this for around 40 minutes till the pudding is done. So to know how it is done, you have to put a knife or something inside or a toothpick, and if it comes clean, that means your bread pudding is done. Okay.